Time we'll be back down to Cornwall for the very latest news. What we're understanding this morning from Boscastle, that was devastated by those floods yesterday afternoon, about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. 15 people unaccounted for. That's the very latest line out of there. So if you were in that area, there is a number to call: 01392 451 130. That's Devon and Cornwall Police. That number a little bit later on in the news as well. But 15 people unaccounted for.
Yeah, so particularly if you know you abandoned your car, the police are interested to know, because they found these cars and they can't identify who was driving them. So if you know you did that, do give them a call. We're going to check on the weather forecast now. Here's Claire.
Weather to come, particularly across England and Wales. In fact, the winds are going to pick up tomorrow. Yesterday, just under 3 inches of rain across Cornwall. Devastating effects, particularly around the Boscastle area. And sadly, the mop-up operation today could be hindered because of more rain. It's a fairly quiet start across many parts, but if you are worried about flooding over the next 24 hours, it's worth calling the flood line. That's the Environment Agency's flood line. This morning then, as you can see, some mist and murk across central and northern areas of Scotland. Further south is a fairly quiet start with a little bit of sunshine from time to time. 1 or 2 showers around, particularly across northwest England, down towards southwest England. Northern Ireland getting away with a dry morning. Through the morning, though, the cloud will build and that will allow some showers to develop. Like the last few days, they are likely to be heavy in places because the wind will be so light, so they won't be moving very fast. Through the morning, we'll see more cloud move across from the southwest, across the west-southwest, as well as the Channel Islands and central southern England. That's going to give the odd spot or two of rain. In fact, the rain will really pep up through the afternoon. During the afternoon, it clearing away from the southwest, moving across to the Midlands as well as East Anglia. The odd rumble of thunder and lightning can't be ruled out. And further north, as you can see, some of these showers are likely to turn out to be heavy and also thundery. And temperatures at the very best, so I'd say 24 Celsius eastern England, elsewhere 21 or 22, so very similar to the last few days with just a light wind. Now, over the next 24 hours, the wind is going to pick up. The first batch of rain moves across to Scotland during tonight, particularly across more eastern areas, and then there'll be a bit of a respite in between, more rain and moving across from the Atlantic. So tomorrow morning it's going to be wet and windy across the southwestern quadrant of the country. The rain will rattle across south to north very quickly indeed, and in fact will be followed by showers. These showers are likely to be heavy and, as you can see, could cause problems, particularly for ferry routes, the Irish Sea coast, because the wind is going to be so strong. And then the next few days, well, it's a case really of sunshine and showers, and again quite blustery. Here's your summary. Find out what our weather's up to for the next 5 days on our website gm.tv.
Just after 7:30 this Tuesday morning. Let's get the news now from Penny.
Thanks very much. Good morning.
01392 451 130. 15 people unaccounted for. Joining us live here this morning is the Reverend Christine